Welcome to today's tutorial on how to disable notifications for account suggestions on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, managing your notifications has become easier. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Instagram account on your computer. If you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your feed. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a more icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up. From there, scroll down and choose the Settings option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on that to access your Settings menu. Now that you're in the Settings, look for the Notifications tab. Click on it to enter the notification settings where you can customize how you receive alerts from Instagram. You'll see several categories for notifications, but we want to focus on push notifications. Click on that option to open its settings. Now, you'll find various notification types listed. Look for the section under Account Suggestions. This is where Instagram often sends suggestions for accounts you might want to follow based on your interests and activity. To disable these notifications, simply choose Off. This will turn off any notifications for account suggestions, allowing you to enjoy a more curated experience without those interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for account suggestions on Instagram from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.